Wait, don't warp, because then if you warp, you're not going to be there.
Wait, what? Better, like, jump over them? That'd be so cool.
That'd be awesome. Alright, my new mission is to get 3rd place, baby.
Well, Star gave you an item, and it might be a good one. Because you decided to get out of 4th place this turn.
Now here's the question,
true.
do I use the pipe? Or do I buy a 2nd pipe?
Toad's probably gonna give you another golden pipe right now anyways, so...
Yeah, if you get money here, then you can definitely buy another... I would definitely buy another pipe, dude.
It's always 4th place. I don't know why you're popping off.
It's been 3rd.
Uh-oh! Every time.
It's been 3rd for me before.
Wait. Dude, you might actually...
Buy another
buy
pipe?
another pipe. You have 5 turns, dude. I would do it.
I'm doing it.
And you're gonna screw me over if I don't roll high enough. Because you have to get rid of something.
I might whistle by a pipe.
Yeah, dude, that's definitely the fucking play.
Wowza. Give me a point.
Ooh, I wouldn't like a revolution right now. I don't think anyone would except for Luke.
Lose a star.
That would be so mean.
Oh no.
Who's there?
Get out of here, runt.
Alright, time for me to roll high enough to get this star right here. Woo, let's go, baby!
But you're Mario.
Oh, just enough, too.
Oh.
Well, just one over, actually. Oh,
You're
and I'm
gonna have
flipping him.
I have to go back to Woody. I don't have a choice if I want the happening star. I'm in 2nd place. I'm not winning, but I'll take 2nd place.
I gotta fight for 3rd.
If it's top left, that's the prime position for anyone starring. What?
That's so funny.
Wait, that's perfect. Because I'm flipping this, and then it'll flip back next turn.
Like I said,
Brando could pipe, but...
I mean, he'll have to pipe this turn and not buy another one. Now he doesn't... Oh, wait, no, he's just gonna fucking chain chomp. Anyways.
I need to buy a 2nd pipe, so...
Yeah. Damn, dude, if only I rolled high enough.
You could have been extra cheesy there.
Bye-bye, Toadie.
Goodbye.
Nah, she's top left. Yep. That's the prime position. But I'm gonna go first. Thank you, so thank you. And that was the best play anyways for you.
Yeah, because now I'm gonna buy something else.
And if you didn't do that, I wouldn't even have to use my pipe and I would've got a free star. Oops. Another pipe.
Wow. If I beat Star, I'm gonna laugh until I cry.
He's been in last place the entire game. You're such a bully.
Wow.
Dude, he just stole his star. He has a reason to be a bully. Canadians. Sorry. Ooh, pipe time. More pipes.
Don't misclick.
Issa race. Issa race. It's just gonna be 3 pipes per turn.
Yeah, it's just gonna be 3 pipes in a row.
Toadette's gonna be schmoovin'.
Ooh, okay, it's time to get our revenge, Luke.
Okay, huddle paddle.
Oh.
I need
Have we done
coins.
this?
I need coins.
I need coins too.
Yeah, this one kind of sus.
Oh, it's this one. And this
Oh, this one's awkward.
Stupid ass hammer, bro. It's not gonna toss shit at
My
me.
brain cannot comprehend.
If I push forward. Good job.
Ow!
That's fine. You got this.
Go this way.
He's looking our way.
Shoot. Yeah, he is. That's fine.
Ooh, the turning is wacky, dude.
Oh, you don't want to do a loop again? I guess that works out. We're about tied.
Even.
Never mind,
Aww.
exactly even.
Exactly even.
Okay.
Not my favorite coin game.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yes, it's from 3.
I mean, there's more exciting ones.
He didn't answer my question.
Kind of roboted out. I don't know if it's from 3 or not. You know, Brando?
Oh yeah, it is.
It is?
It is.
I was like, I think it's from 3.
Jesus, dude. Fucking Mario Party 3, man.
Mario Party 3. You know, viewers, this match is just representing my relationship with Mario Party 3. That being said,
No, don't want to go that way.
it would be cool to see another map show up for DLC, please, Nintendo, please.
Yeah, it would. Let's get, what's that map called in Mario Party 6?
Bro,
The town one?
I think I am being made fun of.
Oh yeah. I think I am being made fun of.
Yeah.
Luke, when I breathe in this game.
I just ran out of business and I was like,
here.
well, actually, I have the composure of a saint, and I never do anything wrong. And every time Luke speaks, he just bitches, which is true, but
Which is true. But you know.
Alright, where are you going now?
Hey, AV, nice pipe. I'm gonna use it too.
Then you can be up here with
Star's
me.
gonna use it. Yeah, we can hang out and then I'll buy another one.
Ooh, yeah, I won't have enough coins to do that. Actually, I will. What the heck am I talking about?
no, table
Who do I steal from,
is
though?
broken.
You know, Star didn't steal from me, so I don't want to steal from Star. I kind of want to just do random, though, because I don't have a grudge against anyone.
It'll pick me,
Yeah, Mario, you've
Will
been
it?
a good teammate.
Let's see.
probably.
No, he stole
ooh.
from the person
It's
who
going
chose
for-
not to steal
It's going for
from me.
Mr. Moneybags.
Oh, yeah, maybe that's it.
Maybe it changes if you're in first place to just like actually random.
Maybe, I don't know.
I'm glad too. I'm
Ooh,
glad
nice
too,
smashing, brother.
Nice. I lost 11, man. I thought I was smashing like a maniac.
Oh.
No,
Wait,
I
that's
don't
how they won the
speak-
pizza game.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay.
Nah, that was a legit
Squid
win.
Games.
I was going faster than Star, so there's no way.
I was going slow at first in the pizza game, too. And then I started kicking
Yo,
up because I was like,
hey,
oh, mashing matters.
AV, it'd be crazy if we could like duel.
Ooh. That would be awesome.
And if not, I could duel Rosie.
It sucks that you can't duel for stars, though, man.
Damn it. I
You
wish
get a
though.
1.
I would have totally freaking dueled for star. And I'm no longer a blueberry boy, so I would have done star for star.
I would have been down.
I don't even have the coins for star.
Yeah, I wish they
coins,
let you do
but
that in this game. That would be cool.
I don't know why
It's
they
pretty
don't.
wimpy.
Big old baby status, that's what it
Yes.
is.
I miss the star duels. They were so high stakes, dude.
Yeah, especially because right at the end, it's like...
I have to
make
roll
it
low
happen.
next turn or else I can't get a happening.
Ooh, are you buying what I think you're buying?
I don't
Buy a
know.
skeleton
I
key.
kind of just want to use my second pipe, so that I'm down to $7.
Yeah, you'll be pretty broke.
Yeah. Which is why. Nah, we're good. We're good. Especially because of that.
True. But when you're about to get
I thought
20...
you landed on
You're
it.
about to get 20 right here, though.
Ooh, that'd be pretty cool.
Damn, guess you should have bought it.
Dang, dude. I'll take another star at
That's
least.
how it goes, man.
That's how it goes.
You could pipe and then hope to get chance time, Star, because chance time is.
Can you
in your
pipe,
pack.
please, so the star goes somewhere better? There's also dueling material standing in front of you.
Yeah, for poopy coins, dude.
Yeah, and you can't even guarantee you'll land where I'm at.
Although we haven't seen like many duels, have we?
No. Well, I guess, I mean, if you really want me to pipe instead of you, you know.
If you wanted to.
If you wanted to. I guess I'll just take that star then, you know.
Where's Luke even at on the board?
I don't know.
Oh, there you are.
Let's see.
It's the final countdown.
I love this one.
It is good.
I would hum the song, but I think it's
Oh!
I thought I was Daisy down
Mario?
bottom left, dude.
Are you okay, Mario?
Get me away from that one.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh.
This one is scary, man.
Love this game. Especially later on.
Whoa! Oh!
It's getting fast!
Ah! There's a 7 up here.
There's a 5 down here. We live.
That's the first time I won that
Now-
one.
My doom.
I suck at those arena type mini games usually.
The survival ones are pretty spicy.
I like the trial ones when you don't have to interact with each other, like you don't have to punch and kick people.
Dude, you know, I realized
And,
we only have like 3 turns to get bushy penguins.
Yeah, I know.
we're not gonna get it.
I know. I no longer have copium. Bored.
That would be quite the ending.
2, 3, 1, 2.
That means he has to be playable.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe if we spam the sticker enough times.
We'll unlock it.
Maybe.
Dude, this is the key. Keyblade.
Alright. What am I
Hey,
doing?
Mario.
I think I'm just gonna
You
roll.
wanna warp with me?
Dude, I'm getting the high rolls now.
Sheesh.
When it matters.
After your win's been guaranteed, yes.
Yikes, dude.
Hey,
it's a
look what
wrap.
I got.
Oh.
Whoa.
Dude, a golden pipe?
Oh, I thought I just went on
I
the
want you to
bank.
duel me. At least just so it'd be funny.
Get a 1 then.
Nah, dude, I'm out of here. I'm headed uptown.
I thought it would be funny,
Oh.
Brando.
We'll play the remaining duels in a bonus video, viewers. Don't you worry.
And
It's
Pushy
sad.
Penguin.
It's sad that there will be no stakes, but it is what it is for the extra duels left. Star and I are neck and neck. We're gonna be at 2 stars each. He's got a lot of cash.
I get a 10 here apparently. That is not a 10.
That is the usual.
It is the usual too.
I'll just grab this. Stars, thank you on working on unlocking him. You have to do it a few more times. A few hundred.
I've tuned it out, dude. I forgot he was doing that the whole time.
I didn't even realize it until you mentioned it. Oh.
Ooh, that's right in front of Luke, kind of. I don't know where the arrow's
Well,
going though.
well, Star's gonna take that, yeah.
Oh, no,
so
never mind.
actually,
Oh
well,
yeah.
it'd be cool if I got a Star, but Star, you deserve it.
Let's go.
Which is why he's actually gonna roll. The way they tuck their arms in is so stupid looking to me. I always laugh.
Yo, Star, you should tip that Galumba back there for his skills.
He's been doing that for almost 3 hours.
He's literally street performing and no one's giving him any money.
Toadette's just sitting
I
there.
was about
with
to
gold.
say, with her back to him, ignoring him.
The life of a Galumba is hard, you know. You have no arms.
She's too prim and proper to give him some cash.
Look at that, he's like roll.
Oh, where's the arrow? Is it the other way?
Yeah, it is the other way.
Aw,
What a
dude.
shame.
Imagine you got that and then Brando rolled on fucking chance time and made me give away all my stars. I mean, you could change it and
Imagine.
screw over Luke, I think.
Well, it would be worth it if I could get chance time, but I don't know if I can. I think I'm too far away for chance time. And let me count right now, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't. Yeah, there's no way. I'll just get the happening space next turn then. That's fine.
Do it.
Zoo it.
Everyone versus Rosie. Oh. Mario Party 3?
Yay. Jesus, dude.
I'm just gonna mash every time. I'm not even gonna
we got
strategize if we survive.
extremely lucky when AV was the seeker.
Yeah, I'm just mashing. No strategy.
He wasn't able to. Yeah, I'm gonna use the scientific method of mashing.
Whatever.
You'll never know where I'm hiding, Rosie. You'll never know.
I'll never know either.
Don't use
It'd be a
that one.
shame if you picked the mushroom house.
Oh gosh.
Again, I'm not strategizing. I'm just matching.
Oh.
Let's go, Mierts. Hide well, brother. Hide well. Choose the bush. Oh,
my gosh.
Should have chosen the
Oh
bush.
my god!
I'm mashing again. It's possible.
I mean, I have to fucking go to the bush all 3 times.
You went to the bush every time.
Yes.
Well, you know where AV is, so you might as well pick the bush.
I mean, that's true. Uh-oh. Oh, he switched in the last second. Oh no!
You would have won. I told you.
Oh no!
That's
Were you gonna choose the bush? Damn,
Oh,
the
no.
lag, man. That was gonna be the first
Man.
one win for that.
The
Oh,
Fucking bush.
wait, I
man.
actually like this.
Oh, you're gonna try and Woody Wood?
I want to show
You
it
trying to
on
wood him?
screen. No, he's a tree. He's literally a tree.
I'm Woody. Howdy, howdy,
I
howdy.
mean, he has a mouth.
You should stop
Mm.
talking.
Yeah, he's moving it.
Do you think those eyes are like holes, or do you think they're like?
It's weird because they look solid.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Oh, those are that's his
Oh.
nose, not his eyes. That makes sense. I mean, the evil one actually has a nose.
No. 6? Is that Bowser time? No.
No.
Down there is a blue
Nar.
space. Up there is a blue space. Oh, no. Oh, if I got a 5, I would have gotten it anyway. I can land on Evil Woody, though.
17. What's it pointing at? Oh, it's pointing the wrong way. I guess I'll use it. No point not to.
We're almost
Yeah.
done anyway. My real enemy was Cash this round, man.
Yeah, it was, dude. Damn, I thought I got
So
a
many
2.
Bowser, lots of Bowser events and random shenanigans with battle games. Every time, because I kept winning minigames, but then I would lose it during the turns.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I won a handful of games.
You were a good amount.
A double dice?
Yeah, I'm kind of fucking broke though. I'm about to pay this shit too. I'm gonna get 6 though. I forgot. Unless I didn't know Bow Wow. I wasn't keeping track. Oh, almost.
Yikes.
Oops. Get a 1.
I kind of want to warp.
Or you could, yeah, you could try and warp with me.
Yeah.
Wait,
If
don't
I
warp,
don't-
because then if you warp, you're not going to be there.
Wait, what?
If you warp,
That
you're
is
not going
so
to be there.
That is such a good point. If I roll Luke, I get a chance at the bank. If I roll AV, I get a chance at the Star. If I roll Star, I get a chance at the shop.
Or chance
Alright,
time.
that chance time. I thought it would work.
Dang it!
Oh,
I'm
you
not
get a
gonna
chance
get.
at
I'm not gonna get a
nothing.
pipe.
You sure? You're in 4th.
No,
They
this
might,
game's
they might
pretty
just give you the
wackadoodle.
pipe.
I don't know, man. They're not that nice.
Oh, and it's the easy one.
Wow.
Start.
Oh shit, I wasn't looking.
It's currently
Bottom
Top
right.
middle.
So about what I said.
Finish.
I know you missed Bowser Jr. He ran away from our game.
Got it.
Dude, that was your chance after Star spammed.
Dude, I messed up. I should have got B-Junes. Okay, last turn Star. I'll take it.
Let's go.
Not bad, brother. Not bad.
I'll take it, man.
Get a 1, or I don't know what you need for chance time. Not that.
You know what's funny, AV? When Star stole from me, like, I saw it coming from a mile away because he did that to you when you were losing. So I was like, yeah.
Sir just likes the chaos.
The chaos, the content. So I was like, alright. It's a race, though.
Wait, no, I can't get to Evil Woody.
I've been able to get 3 stars in the last 5 turns.
Ooh.
Unless...
Wait.
Please 1 star, so that way Brando can't use it. That'd be pretty funny.
Let's do it.
Oh gosh. All the
2
marbles.
of the remaining duels we've never played, I love.
All the marbles.
Have we played
dude.
Mass Meteor?
No.
We haven't.
I want Spin Doctor. Give me Spin Doctor.
Oh, Spin Doctor is good. Not the Vine one. We always.
So
get
that one's on your
one.
favorite, isn't it, Brando?
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Mario Party 3!
Congratulations, Star.
Oh, it starts on
It's
the
like-
outside too.
I'm on the inner side.
Oh my god, they're
I've
both
never gotten
robots.
past 1.
The inner one sucks so
That
much.
does suck, dude. Well, maybe it'll save you being laggy. Oh, never mind, it stopped. Oh no, it's just gonna throw you off. Well,
Finish.
well,
That happened.
It's a
Mario Party 3.
It's a cool, like, it's a good one in concept, but if you're in the middle, you're just screwed. It's so hard.
It was
Yeah.
all part of my plan to leg switch.
Ah, of
Isn't it
course.
so wild that after every single time that minigame's over, it's fine?
Yo, Star's in last now. How about he gets a pipe?
I'm joking, obviously, but that is pretty crazy.
Didn't block card.
You see, I couldn't say it because my thing was red, but I got the
Shoot now.
inside of the clock, so I knew I was gonna die on the first one.
Nice.
Good night, Rosie.
Bowser Jr. I would have gotten the hidden block card too, but that was so difficult to get. Wait, now? Wouldn't that be so cool? Wouldn't that be
Pokepummel!
so cool? No!
Aw, dude, it could have been 2.
Pokey
new
Pummel is one of the
ones.
last ones too.
Could have been 2 new ones,
Yeah.
man.
All right, let's see if I lag
I'm
again.
not
so we
winning this,
delay the
dude.
timing.
That means I'm not getting the
It
star.
was so close. It was one space away, dude.
Star's probably winning this one. He always wins this one.
It's Squid Games.
Start.
And it's laggy. Oh gosh, we're dying.
Oh baby!
Ooh.
Oh my god.
How did I do that? I don't even know how I did that.
Jeez.
Luke got the best possible score.
I got so lucky. There was no strategy.
Or at
It was
least I
pure
think
luck.
it's 0.1.
I mean, it makes sense unless there's somehow 0.0 something. Dang it, dude.
Is it
Now
the
I can't.
last turn, fellers?
Yeah, now I
It
can't get
is.
the star.
Oh man, viewers.
Unless I get the
No more
doubles.
laggy Brando adventures after this.
I can't be pushy for penguins now. Unless I could roll a 1, that'd be nice.
I never mentioned it, but the last five
Yes.
music
Come
here.
on, game. It'd be 10 coins. No,
Nope.
I said 10.
Let me see what I can do here.
Thank you.
You could double.
Yeah, but I don't have coins. I'd have to get lucky and get
Oh, I forgot.
doubles. Or no, that's not a
You
good
could
idea.
roll a 1.
The only other play would be to warp and hope I get Luke and then randomly fucking land on chance time. Wait,
Why do you want to do that, though?
just to mix it up, dude. I have 7 fucking stars.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
kind of a wrap.
Well, if it lets me win,
Wait, is
then
that
go
10?
ahead.
Let me count again.
I told you guys the boo is in
No,
such a
I-
hard spot to reach.
I can't even get it if I warped with Luke. And get a
Oh.
10.
Even without the Koopa Bank in front, that boo is so difficult to reach.
Yeah, it is. Alright, now it's time for me to get double or the same number. Double 10s? Thanks, game. Dang it.
Oh, it's like you could buy a star if you did.
16, life is sweet.
Just circle around, that'd be cool. Oh wait, no, if you go left, you
What do
might
I
be able to
have?
go on the Woody.
9.
You would, but then I wouldn't get the happening star.
Well, I don't want to go in a circle for no fucking reason.
Okay. Oh wait, no, you don't. You're one space away.
Oh,
Alright, time to pipe.
let's move. That makes up for me not buying the second one. Let's go. If I had a key, I use it and just go the other way.
Oh my gosh. Dang, dude, if the minigame
And
was
now to
Pokemon
say
one,
no to Toadette.
You got a star.
If Star won more minigames, I don't know who has minigame.
I have
I
no
don't feel
clue.
like I did it this time.
If the battle counts, then I probably got it. If not, then
I think you got the other 2 bonus. Well, Star probably got the coin star.
Yeah, either Star or AV for coins.
Oh, Star didn't get a lot of coins in the beginning. That's the thing.
Sure.
He was broke.
Let's go.
Oh, AB might
Ooh.
get it because you land on the bank.
Oh,
never
well,
mind.
Ooh. Well,
there goes that.
oh, I'm so scared now. It's gonna be hard to beat
Golden
him
shower
in a
all over
coin
Roseman's
tie.
face. The final
Can
minigame.
AV sweep all 3 so I get third?
Can we get Pokey Pummel?
Can we get?
No, dude. I held my breath.
We have to re-record because we didn't get pushy penguins.
Ah, that's
You
funny.
think I'm gonna play another round with this group?
Well,
Dude, that's every time Brenda says that, it always makes me wonder
fun.
how his other groups play Mario Party.
it sounds like you're just farming wins from your friends. dude.
I get fourth with them. Don't worry.
I was so slow there.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I waited. I almost
Good
got
night,
baited,
brothers.
dude.
I'll
Sorry,
see you at
Daisy.
the result.
Eventually.
I wish I understood what you
Oh
said.
god! Dude, that was close.
I had a double input there.
That's not fair,
Oh,
man.
That's not fair.
That's not fucking fair, dude. God damn it. Oh no, it happened to Star too. Come on, Shy Guy. Oh, he gave you a pass.
It's so laggy. No, I did.
Oh, dude. Nice.
Oh,
Well, that helps Star hopefully maybe get the coin.
true.
Winner. Here we go.
I don't know why I said hopefully. I don't really. It doesn't really matter to me. 1, 2. Okay.
Yeah, regardless of the final results, I'm still curious about the bonus.
It's evil. Why is evil here?
Uh-oh.
Who gets it? Let's go, dude.
Ooh.
You, Mario.
It's a Mario
That's why they call it
Party.
Mario Party. This one I don't know.
Oh, Rosie, nice.
Dang it, dude! I missed getting third. Yes, more coins.
And Mario. Oh, and Rosalina. Wait, did he get second place? I think he did.
Whoa.
What?
Oh, that's why. So he can murder you. Yeah, he did get
I
second
see.
place.
Nice.
All along,
Just
Luke.
move
he was
to the
sabotaging
left.
us both.
Just move to the left, Rosalina.
Mario Party. That's why they
That's
call it that.
how fitting, dude. The final board.
I know.
Maybe this means
Did you guys
Mario
know
is the
that
best
no matter
character.
who I play this board with, I always get fourth?
Brando's talking to Monty Mole.
Hey,
Yes, he's
Monty,
complaining,
you wanna-
dude. Look at him. It's like,
Isn't that what
it's like,
Daisy's like, dude, did you see what just
Really?
happened?
I think which star would have rolled the
Oh.
most. but-
solid effort.
it.
Seems you stopped on a lot of Bowser spaces.
Dude. what
Alright,
a
let's look at these
flippy
red
end.
spaces. Look at these red spaces, dude.
That's what I wanted to see.
Oh wow, you guys were
Yeah,
really
Star got
close with
5.
coins collected too. You guys were literally one
Not
off each
me.
other, and then like 20 behind me.
Dude, if it was based on the
minigame is
original
close,
minigame
too.
rules, if it was based on the original minigame rules, I would have won. That bonus award.
Yeah.
Dang, dude.
Look at all the
Coins
items
were really
bought
close.
too.
Jesus
All the
Christ.
fucking pipes, dude.
And then yeah, 16 out of your 30 turns, dude. That's insane. AV, you rolled the lowest out of everyone, as expected.
Yeah, dude, all my fucking ones.
Oh,
I only beat
man.
Star by 3. That explains it.
Dude, I can't wait to see
Oh.
how many item spaces I landed on the previous maps. I landed on 6 this time. I don't think I landed like any before, like at all.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Star. You needed to use the Bowser Jr. sticker 170 times. So you did not get him.
Damn.
Maybe next time.
Oh, Star gets
Oh.
it, but not us.
Sheesh!
Yeah, that's
Not bad.
true. We don't even have a. We're not gonna have him for bonus because everyone has to have him unlocked.
Oh, you're right. It's the lobby rules.
Dang, dude.
Well, we may have gotten a lot of minigames, but there's still a bunch left. So,
Bunch
we're
left.
going to be doing bonus episodes faux show. We have 17 games left still.
Mmm.
That's more than enough for more content. There's even, like, we'll take a look around Mount minigames. There's a bunch of stuff to check out, so we'll be sure to cover that eventually.
Eventually.
But thanks for putting through with 5 maps of my lagginess, because, man...
I mean, it
You like
dropped
how it
less
always
than
happened on the
number
minigames?
5. It did happen a lot on the mini games.
God.
It wasn't ever like
And
when
it
we were
would-
about to start either. It was during it.
During, and then sometimes it would look like it was working in my favor. Like a sinister leg. It was
Well,
so silly.
I guess we'll see you next time, viewers.
We're headed to Mount Minigames next time. See you then.